Welcome to Lehigh Career and Technical Institute's Auto Collision Repair Technology program.
Hey, Mr. Troxel. In order to excel in your program, what kind of skills should students bring to the table?
They should have some common sense, critical thinking skills, some hand skills, some mechanical aptitude. Those are always good starting points with something like this.
What are some of the technical skills students learn in your program?
We do everything from painting, framework, body, mechanical. It's pretty much an all-inclusive program. We also have to teach welding.
Do your students participate in the internship and cooperative education programs at LCTI?
11th graders participate in the AYES program, which is in the spring of their 11th grade year. If that works out for them, they get hired to a paid internship during the summer between 11th and 12th grade, and then they are hired on as a co-op student during their 12th grade year.
Awesome. Do students typically launch careers in auto collision repair technology immediately after high school, or do they continue their education?
Most of the students that have come through my program since I'm here have all gone straight from this program right into the workforce. Their co-op jobs turn into permanent positions. They are offered benefits immediately upon graduation, and then they start their careers in the auto body collision repair technology.
What are some of the companies that hire students from your program?
Locally, we have Reliable Auto Body has about half a dozen of our ex-students now. Scott Collision, which is part of the Scott Auto Group, they also have some of our students. And then the Legacy Auto Group collision repair people also have hired some of our people here in the Valley.
That's awesome, Mr. Troxel. Thanks for letting us stop by.
No problem. Anytime you feel like you want to have some other questions answered, stop by and we can take care of that.